Welcome to another episode of the Data Dialogues podcast, where we dive into the fascinating world of data science tools and techniques. I'm your host, and today we're exploring a captivating tool called Panel Graphic Walker. So what exactly is Panel Graphic Walker? Well, it's designed to make data exploration a breeze. Imagine being able to interactively explore data sets, create dynamic visuals, and even build dashboards, all from within your Python environment. Sounds incredible, right? Panel Graphic Walker harnesses the power of the Graphic Walker concept, specifically for data science workflows. It's like having a Tableau-like interface, but tailored for those who prefer the flexibility and familiarity of Python. You can just plug in your data, and voila, the tool handles the rest, allowing you to start exploring data in mere seconds. Isn't that something? And let's talk about its integration. If you're already familiar with the likes of Pandas or HoloViz, you'll be right at home. This tool is built to scale, accommodating even larger datasets without breaking a sweat. That's a game changer for anyone who's dealt with data overload, wouldn't you agree? Now here's a little nugget. Since this project is still maturing, I encourage users to pin their version if they find something that suits their needs right now. This way, any unforeseen updates won't throw a wrench in your current projects. Always a smart move, don't you think? Let's get into the juicy part. How do you actually use it? You begin by installing it via pip. Just a simple line of code, and you're off and running. Picture yourself working on a project, and you need to visualize some fascinating insights from your data. You import your data, create a Graphic Walker pane, and instantly have a visual representation of your dataset up and running. Now let's say you want to customize your visualization. Panel Graphic Walker allows you to save your chart specifications as JSON files, making it easy to reproduce the same views later. This kind of flexibility is key in any data analysis, keeping workflow efficient and streamlined. Have you ever hit a wall with large datasets while working on exploratory tasks? Well, here's a nifty feature. You can opt for server-side computation, which shifts the heavy lifting away from your local machine to a more powerful server or Jupyter kernel. That way, you can explore massive datasets without the usual hiccups. Genius, right? As you explore but also visualize your findings, the tool supports various styles and appearances. Whether you prefer a dark mode or a specific chart theme, you can tweak it to reflect your aesthetic preferences. It's all about ease and customization. Pretty cool if you ask me. Now, considering the various methods available, the ability to clone your visualizations and export your charts can significantly enhance how you share results with your team or audience. The options are numerous. Before we wrap up, let's talk big picture. The vision behind Panel Graphic Walker is to create a tool that is not just user-friendly, but also robust enough to support a wide array of data backends like Pandas and Polars, allowing users to persist and reuse specifications effectively. So, as we come to the end of today's episode, what stands out is how Panel Graphic Walker is tailored for everyone in the data science community. Whether you're a seasoned data guru or just starting, this tool is designed to be accessible and powerful. What's your take on this? If you're interested in enhanced data exploration capabilities, I highly recommend giving it a try. And remember, the more we explore tools like this, the more effective and insightful our data analyses can become. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Data Dialogues. Don't forget to check out the Panel Graphic Walker and explore its fantastic features yourself. Until next time, keep diving into your data.